It's time to revisit our homemade vanilla. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today, we're going to check back on our homemade vanilla and go through a couple of situations that you may not know what to do. So, we have 2 bottles here that we made, and they're done. It's been over 6 months. It's been, gosh, if I counted up, probably 8. Anyway, this is one that we could use right away, and this is our perpetual vanilla. The one that you would refill with and then put more vodka in it so that it will turn back into vanilla by the time you need to refill again. When you're getting ready to refill or to restock your perpetual vanilla, don't forget you'll need your vodka. And remember, it does not have to be expensive. This is Skoal, famous since 1849, premium, and I still never heard of it, but it was cheap enough. Let's look at my situations here. This was a bottle that I took some vanilla out of some of these, and I tested it. I'm telling you, it's the most delicious thing you can bake with. It adds kind of a sweetened vanilla taste, or that's my take. Maybe it brings out the sweetness. I don't know, but you'll have to see. And it is a great gift, by the way. And I ran out of bottles. I've had to order more bottles so that I can pour out the ones that I'm ready to give away and strain them, and then put anything back inside here as far as the vanilla beans. So let's just say I want to give this to my friend, the good doctor, who happens to be an educational doctor. And I'm going to put my little spigot there. That's not a spigot, it's a funnel? Is that what it is? Then I'm going to put my strainer on top of my funnel after I open this so that it will catch any of the black flecks from the vanilla beans. Now, there's no problem with those being in there, but if you don't want to have black flecks in your baked goods, or you're afraid people might turn their nose up, then you can strain like this. And here's one of the vanilla beans that came out, the stick part, and really, I don't think I had any of the little tiny black vanilla bean grit, the caviar, come out that we talked about, the vanilla bean caviar. So, this is ready to give to my friend, the good doctor. And this one is good to start a new bottle for a friend. So, I'll just... This was the first bottle I used. It just has a tiny bit. Now, if you happen to be just starting, go back and watch our video on how to make the homemade vanilla. I'll try to put a card up there. Alright. So, this is starting over just like our vanilla bean, our homemade vanilla video did. I think that was back in July, maybe. So, here's my bottle. This is a situation you may be ready for. You've got your perpetual, you've got your bottle that's almost empty. So let's get her ready. Actually, and I have this canning jar, but I don't really like it the best for this situation, but it's what I had. Oh, that smells so good. So, here we go. This really is the simplest thing, but I know some people had emailed me and asked me different questions and things, so I thought I would show y'all. Uh-oh. I have gone over a little bit, and I should have seen that coming because this holds 8 ounces down to there, and that holds about 2 cups. So, way to go. But this is exactly the type of thing that will happen to you. You'll be showing a friend and you'll be like, I'm so hot to trot, I'm smart, I've been doing this, look at me go, and you'll make a mess. So, if you look down here, there's twice as many vanilla beans in here as in this one, because this holds 2 cups. I've lost my mind. This perpetual one holds 2 cups, and this one holds 1 cup. And the fact that you've got some left over that is good to go means it won't take as long for your perpetual vanilla here to catch up. So, this is all you do. You just refresh your part that you took out with your vodka. Put your lid back on. Actually, I better wipe that. Canning jars and lids are a little weird, and I just started it, like I said, a while back, and I may not have even done it right then, but I'll put that on there and give that a little shake, and there you go. Now this one that is mine to put back in the cabinet, I just need to wipe it off, and I'm going to give it one more smell before I put it in the cabinet to bed. Oh, that's just great. And once you do this, I don't think you'd ever go back to store-bought. So, give it a try. If you like this video for how to replenish your vanilla with your perpetual vanilla, or how to strain it and get it ready to give away to someone, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experience with making vanilla or using it, and how wonderful it is or isn't for you. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help. Even me, especially me sometimes. Enjoy and be well. It's time to revisit our homemade... It's time to revisit our... Welcome to Hope... So, when